In this video, we'll be talking about the hot water loop, and we will start with our heat exchanger here. And the water, we will discuss it in the flow of water. So out of the heat exchanger, the water flows out of the heat exchangers like so in this pipe, in this direction, and it will go through what we call the temperature gauge. From the temperature gauge, the water will flow up, and it will go through the rhodometer. Then the water will flow this way and back into our hot water tank. Now, our hot water tank and this area consists of pretty complicated elements, and we'll discuss each one by one. First thing we want to look at is our temperature gauge. It measures the temperature of the hot water. The second component is our thermostat, which we can manually program the temperature of the water inside. And that you can manually program it here, and is going to determine, it's going to connect to the hot water tank by this connection. The third element is our heating element, which is inside the water tank. Now, after that, we also have a level switch determining the level of the water inside the hot water tank. That's also very important. The water will flow down this way, and it will go into our centrifugal pump. The pump will then push water out. However, there's a few components that we need to know. Number one is our pressure regulator inside the pump, which is here, okay? And we also have, within the pump area, is our IP converter, which we will talk about later, and our three-way proportional valve later. But water will go down in this direction through our centrifugal pump. Here, it will flow this way into this area here, all the way up, back to our temperature gauge here, and it will flow back into our heat exchanger, and then the loop will continue.